Hello there race fans, Craig here for CraigNews.com. Here I am at Bishopscourt for the first of two races today. Anthony Cross on pole for Dan Polly, but Dan isn't out racing. Popping over the curves there, good stuff. On the back straight here this morning in Bishopscourt. There we go now, and Jack Byrne and Anthony Cross fighting for the lead here. Oh, there's Jack Byrne up the inside. He had a lead earlier in the corner, over the curbs, great stuff. Heavy's there in third place. There's JB Farrell now getting past 28 and Killeen. Justin Gray then, and that's actually Sean Killeen there, I think. Tim there on his own early on. Oh, Colin Lewis has lost his nose. Cars into sight now and Jack Byrne is spun, and it looks like Heavy's got himself out in front here. It is. Paul Heavy leads in the lead stone from Anthony Cross. Long gap now to Philip Shane, who's in third place. Here he comes now. We saw him, Farrell passing him a few laps ago, but Philip got back. Bowden then, there's Farrell now and Justin Gray. They head down towards the tight right hander here at the end of the back straight. There's Jack Byrne now. Oh, disaster for him. He was in the lead. Here we go. Here's the leaders once again into sight on the back straight. Heavy still holding on from Cross as they lamp it over that curb there. While since we've seen Heavy winning a race in the Formula Vees. Looks like Shane now has been reeled in by Matt Bowden. There's Shane there. There's Bowden. 3-car train then further back, led by Farrell, Gray and Killeen. Jack Byrne now catching them at a rate of knots as well. Two more runners we have, I think. Yes, Colin Lewis coming down, lost his nose, and Tim Flynn. Change for the lead now. Cross is back in front. Here's Heavy challenging once again. Oh, straight up there the inside. And back in front, come on Heavy, long way back now to the third place runner. It was Philip Bowden, or Matt Bowden and Philip Shane. It's just coming into sight now, here they are. Bowden now looks like he's challenging Shane this time. He has the inside for the lamps it over the curbs there, it's like a little chicane. Jack Byrne up to 5th now. Farrell on his own there, pulling away from the lads behind. Looks like we lost Justin Gray. You have indeed, yeah, no sign of Justin Gray here this morning now in the race. Tim coming through there, he's managed to pull past there's Justin Gray there. So yeah, problems for him. Here we go now, leaders into sight. Heavy still holding on to the lead here. He is indeed, there they are. Heavy from Cross. Over the curves. They're a long way ahead, these two lads, as they go around the right hander. The third place cars. Oh. Downey, here they are onto the back straight now, coming into sight any minute, and it's Jack Byrne who's got himself up to third place now this time. There he is battling with Philip Shane. Philip Shane tries to come back on him, don't think he's going to do that. The green Shane fairly fast this morning. Matt Bowden in 5th. Not too many runners left here. Here comes JB Farrell. Sean McKillian then. And here's Justin Gray and Tim then coming on down. Tim there getting some running. He had problems yesterday with the car. It's actually sounding a bit rough, but he's still going strong. Here we go, leaders back with us again. And Cross is in front, but Heavy's going up the inside there at the little chicane. Good stuff. He wants this win here this morning. Cross wants to hold on to his championship lead. Jack Byrne now still under pressure from Shane for third place. Holding on for now, but Shane's sticking right with him. Matt Bowden then still tucked in behind him. A few car lengths off. Here we go now, leaders once again. And it's Heavy on front this time. He moves across to defend that line. I think they could be on the last lap here. Who's going to take the first win in Bishopscourt this morning? Heavy or Cross? Look back now, long way back for the third place battle. Shane and Jack Byrne. There we go now, Jack Bourne, Philip Shane doing a great job holding on to the back of him there. Here comes JB Farrell now, 6th place at the moment. He's had a bit of a lonely race, a couple of battles early on. McKillian then. Tim now pulled away, we lost Justin Gray again. Tim sounding rough. Here's the battle for the lead now. Heavy still out in front. Oh, Cross has got himself up to the inside here, but he's not out. He managed to get through. Heavy defends the line. He wants to win. Into the right hander. Here we are, third. Look at Shane there. He's all over the back of Jack Bourne now. He wants to get himself on the podium here this afternoon as well. And Heavy's won in the background, I can hear. 3rd place there, they're trying to still fight away for it. And Justin Gray there coming in now. Oh no, sorry, that's Colin Lewis. So yeah, great win for Heavy from Anthony Cross. It's like being back in the 90s. There he is, good stuff. Till later, the Spin Cracker for CraggerNews.com.